Hi lovelies, hi. Can we take a moment for this outfit?
Alex, Ebbs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me. I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want.
First of all, shout out to Jedee Fashion Hub. This is like the second time I'm using her, and I love to applaud and appreciate good talent when I see one and showcase them as well. Okay, so I'm not the only one that will see this goodness and not share it with you. So I approached her. The first time I used her, she made very nice kimono for me with shorts, and it was so beautiful. And I approached her this time around and I was like, okay, I needed her to make something for me for my school's graduation party. I liked what she made the first time, and it was very neat. You know, the finishing was seamless and all, like it was just so neat and classy in a very minimalist form of way. So I just wanted something good. So I sent her a clip of what I wanted, and trust this girl to deliver. She delivered to the last detail. I love every single thing about the outfit. In fact, you know that thing they say about what you ordered versus what you got? This was way better than what I ordered. Like, this was way better than the clip I even sent to her. She delivered, and I like the fact that it was very fitting. It was also very snug, but it wasn't uncomfortable. It was still very comfy, you know, and still gave out the look I wanted to give out, you know. So it was really nice. It was breathable and all that. So I really love the outfit. She nailed it completely. And like I said, I love supporting people who pour passion into what they do. So if you want something similar and really affordable, please check out her details. I'm leaving them in the description and on the screen as well. Okay, that's that for that. Okay, there's another thing I want to share with you today. This one is special. I'm back again with another McNissy bag. So I'm back again with another McNissy. In fact, before we even unbox this bag, I said I'm going to unbox it on camera so that we can view the elegance together. So before we even start the unboxing, I just love the neatness about this bag. It's so neat, like the finishing, the packaging is so clean. I just love the packaging, so simple, so clean. Okay, let's go. So inside of it we have the dust cover. So it still has McNissy on it. And then, ooh, I love it. I love what I'm saying. Ooh, this is beautiful. Okay, so this is like my fourth McNissy bag at this point, I think, right? And normally she has her brand crested on the leather of the bags, but this one is just, it doesn't have it, even though, let's see inside. Okay, so when you open it up, you have, it's really roomy, and then it has this. I love this, I love this, I love this. Oh my god, it's screaming gorgeousness in all its simplicity. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. It's just simple and nice. I love the fact that it's roomy. This is like a go-to bag, because I've been looking for a go-to bag actually that I can just, you know, carry on every day. Okay, on days I don't want to do too much, I just throw in my phone, my notepad, my sanitizer, my hand cream, and all that. And this is it. This is it. I really love this bag. I love the leather, I love the color, I love the hand chain, like the strap. I just love everything about it. I can wear it maybe as a crossbody bag, or it's just a casual minimalist type of look that it's given. And color is so mature. I love that the color is that mature, honestly. It's amazing. Thank you so much, McNissy. You are the best Nigerian brand when it comes to bags, when it comes to leather bags, leather book folders. She does, like, they do a lot of things. They do leather bags, they specialize in bags, okay, folders, book bags, okay, wallets, purses, name it. And she is our Nigerian brand. Why support other brands when we have our own? Let's support our own. And they are so good. Trust me, their bags are so durable. I've had the first McKinsey bag I have right now. The first McKinsey bag I've been using it for over 2 years, if I'm not mistaken, and so far I've not even seen a sign of wear or tear. I'm not joking, I'm not mincing words. I've not seen a sign of wear or tear. Please get you a McKinsey bag. If you're a Nigi Mandy fan, if you are one of my lovelies, get you a McKinsey bag. And the good thing is that it has different price ranges. So they're the affordable ones, they're the really affordable ones, they're the ones that are a bit more, pricey. Just depends on what you're going for. Okay, but make sure you have one of these or more in your bag collections. You can't have collection of bags. You can be a mother, you can be a woman, a lady, and you're not making use of McKinsey. Where are you? Where are you if you're not using this? Please grab, run along right now and get one of these. Okay, and you'll be glad you did. Trust me, you're not going to regret it. I promise you. It feels so luxe. It feels so luxe. And this bag ticks all the boxes for me, because I can carry this anywhere. I can just take it anywhere. It's just giving me that casual minimalist look that I'm going for. I love it. McKinsey to the world, yay! Okay, I couldn't wait for this one to arrive. I couldn't wait to unbox it, and unfortunately I had to unbox it in your absence. But I'm still going to share this discovery with you because it's a discovery. So yay, here we go. So it comes in a box like this, and then when you open it up, like all the papers, all the receipts, whatever. And what's this? Okay, I think this is the receipt. Oh yeah, this is the receipt. And then you get to see the watch. And finally, this is the Odogu in the building. So this is a wristwatch. Swatch, is this watch or swash? Not sure. Okay, so this is it. The wristwatch. I don't know if you can see it. It's being washed away because of... Okay, I'll just put a picture. I'll insert a picture on the screen. But this is beautiful. Immediately this one arrived, I could not wait to unbox it. And it is super beautiful. Only the box is giving elegance, and then you open up the watch. Everything about it is just so unique. Super clean. It's so clean. I need to put this up. It's just giving quite luxury. It's giving quite luxury, and I love it. I'm in love. So that's that. Let me put it on. So that's that for this unboxing, guys. I just figured, why not do this? Oh, my wrist. Please don't mind me, guys. I'm just being very... I think I'm basking in the euphoria of the fact that I'm on vacay. Okay, I'm on break for a few weeks before work starts again. So let's quell and enjoy this moment while it lasts. Okay, guys, so that's that. Well, I came out here to unbox these few things with you. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I have more unboxing coming up, okay, in subsequent videos, and more, maybe not unboxing, but more shout outs, let me put it that way, coming up in subsequent videos. I did this because I actually wanted to just help someone or two to make a decision, and when I see good things, I love to share. Okay, I love to share good things when I see them, because I feel like it can help someone or two. I love showcasing hard work, good brands, good people with good products. So that's the reason I'm here to like hide these products for you all to go run along and purchase yours. Okay, go grab yours, go get yours right now. So yeah, let me know what you think about this. If you've got any favorites you think I should check out, please share with me, and I'll sure be doing that. Okay, so I'm going to be seeing you next week in another video, but before that, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you next week in another video. Don't forget to also tell me what you think about this unboxing or other products that you have in mind that you may want me to unbox or share my reviews about, if it's something I've used or know about. Okay, and I'll sure see you next week in another video. Until then, do take care. Bye.
Been what it been. Pulling his phone like you'll send me
making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know